Welcome to the 12th Skills and Talents Swimming Workout. On this video, we will focus on freestyle, also known as front crawl. Remember that you can download this workout through the link in the description. This is a 1700 meters or yards long workout that if you do it correctly, it will help you swim smoother while going fast. I did this workout and I enjoyed it so much I wanted to share it with all of you. Remember to warm up before entering the pool with some shoulder movements. Let's jump in. To warm up, do 425s easy free. Then continue with a 100 kick. Then do 425s of this drill. Then 250s free. For the technique set, do this twice. Do 225s of this drill. Then 150 focusing on high elbow on the recovery stage. Now we start the main set with 225s dolphin kick to warm up the core muscles. This is where all the power to swim comes from. Now, this is very important. Many times when we swim fast freestyle, our stroke is not as good. So, before we go fast, we will focus on technique for 825s. Do the best possible technique. The best underwaters, breakouts, kicks, and strokes possible. While you rest those 25 seconds, focus on how it felt and what you did right. Now, do 100 easy to loosen up the muscles and to relax the mind a little bit. Rest for about 30 to 45 seconds. Now, you will do a 50 free as fast as possible without going into a sprint where you sacrifice good technique. Do 425s dolphin kick to really activate those core muscles. To change things up a little bit, do 225s breaststroke kick. Then do 625s focusing on the best technique again. While you rest, focus on what you did wrong or what you can improve. Then do a 50 easy kick plus 100 easy to loosen up. Now do the last 50 freestyle fast. The first 25 go as fast as possible with the most perfect technique. And then the last 25 just go sprint. Don't focus on technique, just on going fast. To finish up, do 50 kick and 50 easy swim twice. This workout is part of our daily workout program. With this subscription, you get a new workout every day with 3 levels of difficulty. Click here to find out more about it. If you want to watch more of our workout videos, watch this playlist here. See you there, swim fast!